नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं इस समय M3M की एक बहुत ही सुंदर गोल्फ स्टेट सोसाइटी में हूँ। मैं दिल्ली का रहने वाला हूँ, पंजाबी बाग का, एंड वहाँ से यहाँ आने के लिए मुझे एक ऐसा घर चाहिए था जो कोठी की फील देता हो, ग्रीनरी साथ में रहे और एमिनिटीज उसमें रहें। दिल्ली की लाइफ छोड़ करके यहाँ की एक मॉडर्न लाइफ नई जनरेशन के साथ जीने के लिए मुझे एक सोसाइटी चाहिए थी। यहाँ मैंने कई सोसाइटीज विजिट किया और एक्सपीरियंस भी किया, लेकिन यहाँ की सोसाइटी आने के बाद जो एमिनिटीज मुझे यहाँ मिली, जो सोसाइटी का लेआउट मुझे यहाँ मिला, जो ब्यूटी यहाँ देखने को मिली, वो मेरी सारी ज़रूरतों को पूरा करती थी। अगर हम सोसाइटी का लेआउट देखें तो घर का लेआउट इतना सुंदर है कि आपको कोठी की फील आती है। अगर आप सोसाइटी के कंपाउंड में जाते हैं तो आपको ग्रीनरी इतनी अच्छी लगती है कि आपको रिजॉर्ट की फीलिंग आती है। आप अगर अप्रोच की बात करते हैं तो गोल्फ कोर्स के बाद एक्सटेंशन रोड पे मोस्ट अप्रोचेबल सोसाइटी ये कहलाती है। आने वाले समय में भी इस सोसाइटी का जितना इन लोग यहाँ इस सोसाइटी सुविधाएं देती है, अगर हम एमिनिटीज़ की बात करते हैं तो हम स्पोर्ट्स की बात करते हैं जिसमें हर किस्म का स्पोर्ट्स है। हम सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ सेफ्टी और सिक्योरिटी का लेवल उतना ज़्यादा है कि सम टाइम आपको भी फील होता है कि आप इतने ज़्यादा सिक्योरिटी में हैं कि आप बिल्कुल अपने घर में अपने घर वालों को निश्चिंत यहाँ छोड़ करके अपने काम पे ईजिली जा सकते हैं। हम यहाँ पर बने हुए क्लब्स की बात करते हैं, वो इतने सुंदर हैं, उनका खाना इतना अच्छा है कि आपको किसी भी गेस्ट को बुला करके अपने घर में अगर आप सपोज करें उतना मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हैं, विच इज़ वेरी कन्वीनियंट हियर, लेकिन स्टिल अगर आप एक बड़ी गैदरिंग करना चाहते हैं तो यहाँ क्लब बहुत सुंदर है। बच्चों के लिए खेलने के लिए ग्रीनरी का पार्क, ग्रीनरी जो यहाँ अवेलेबल है विद फाउंटेन्स, एंड मोर ओवर अगर बच्चों को आप वेकेशंस पे कहीं ले जाते हैं और वहाँ पूरे कंपाउंड में घुमाते हैं तो यहाँ भी उस तरीके की कुछ सुविधाएं अवेलेबल हैं, जैसे आप गोल्फ कार्ट की बात करते हैं। प्लस आज यहाँ का जो लॉबी सिस्टम है, जो लॉबी असिस्टेंट लोग बैठे हैं, या जब आप एंट्री करते हैं आपको सब इतना अच्छा सा वेलकम देते हैं, दो हाथ जोड़ करके, कि आपको घर की सी फीलिंग आती है। इस सोसाइटी में रहने का कुल मिला के अर्थ ये है कि आप एक फ्लैट में भी हैं, सिक्योरिटी सेफ्टी के साथ भी हैं, गेम्स में भी हैं, ग्रीनरी में भी हैं, और एक कोठी और एक बेंगलो में या एक फार्म हाउस की फीलिंग में भी हैं। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर आकर के बहुत ही अलग किस्म का एक फीलिंग है जिसको मैं तो एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ, आप भी आकर के एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
We have a lot of properties, a lot of residential properties in Gurgaon with major brands. After visiting every property, this is the one where we are stuck. So, few reasons. Out of few reasons, one reason is majorly is luxury question. So, luxury is something what Golf Estate can offer, no other property can offer you that particular thing. Secondly, being a parent, we're more concerned about security of our child, and this is the place where we can feel that our child is absolutely secure. Yeah.
They can actually play. There is a play area. We can simply leave her and she can just play. We have a daughter who is 7 years, and like we are more concerned about the safety and the secure environment we were always looking for being a parent. So I think they have got the play area, and then they have different events and different activities going around. Similar, all are happening in the same society. So which is more convenient for us. So you don't have to step out of the society anywhere to do anything else.
First thing I would suggest, first thing is like-minded people. The people, the major thing in this society is like everyone is like-minded to us. So we feel absolutely, at home in the entire society.
Yeah, you're not just confined to your own home, but like if you consider the whole society, it is like a home to you. If we consider about the facilities, the amenities that we have, then the people we are living around, and all are helpful. I mean, from guards, from all the management, everybody, everyone is there to help you. I mean, you don't have to be in trouble or something like that. If you have an issue, then you have one or the other person standing out to solve everything for you. So I think that's the wonderful thing, being staying as a society. It's not just you four or you five being a family, but it is whole of hundreds of people. We are together as a society and as a community. We are staying in one place.
I think it's a fantastic place to live in. That's it.
Yeah. If you consider it again, when you step into it, it is from the entrance itself that you get the feel of that comfort, that you stay, you find all it's more spacious place. It has greenery, it has play areas, it has everything. Everything is there for being a kid, being an elder, being a younger one. You find everything for everyone. So it is convenient. I mean, it's all in one. So it is wonderful. It is being wonderful to be a part of.
Plus, I think hospitality here is phenomenal.
Yeah. Your that greeting is very, very much important when you step into it, into the reception area or anywhere. I mean, that the meet and greet is very important. You feel it. It just give you a kind of a good feeling to you.
Yeah.
That you are part of a good place.
Amenities for us are fantastic. The tower in which we are staying currently, everything is just a button away. So you can reach saloon straight away. You can reach club, swimming pool, gym.
Yeah.
Like, we've been using all the amenities and they're like fantastic. So pretty happy with the services here. We have already recommended it to few people.
We have 4-5 of our friends who are already coming in. After coming in, because it gives you a good feeling when somebody is visiting your place, and then you find them they're praising it, and they're they are happy. Even so, that make us also happy that yes, we are part of something which is very convenient and which is luxury to the people as well, and people really would urge to come and stay at the same place. So we feel lucky in that. Yes.
We shifted to M3M Golf Estate after knowing about the facilities which it offers. It offers a lot of sports activities. They have coaches coming over to teach the kids. With sports, I would mean they have basketball, they have badminton, they have cricket ground, they have golf. And with golf, they have like qualified coaches coming who can, come teach the kids. And if you talk about the cultural programs, M3M puts in extra effort of celebrating each and every festival. By each and every festival would mean we're celebrating Halloween with equal pomp and show as we celebrate Diwali or Dussehra. We're blessed with a very lively and nice neighborhood. We've met like-minded people. My kids have made lifetime friends. So have we. We've met so many nice families here. And if we talk about their clubs are class apart. We don't need to go out anywhere to celebrate any special occasions. To the extent that I did my kids' birthday, both their birthdays.
The units are great. They're brand new, very modern, very clean. But even more importantly, the facilities of M3M Golf Estate are top-notch. You know, there's a cafe to wind down, there's a restaurant, there are a lot of other different things, but there's even a library, where I'm sitting in right now, which is something very, very rare to find in a modern community these days. M3M Golf Estate is a very convenient compound for us.
We were always concerned about the safety, we were always concerned about the amenities. M3M has surprised us very pleasantly in terms of, delivery expectations. This is definitely a 3 cheers and a thumbs up for M3M. I would emphasize on the fact that the quality of construction, the layout and landscaping is excellent.
Very rightly said, since the time we have shifted here, we are very happily placed and comfortable. I would say it is actually a resort living. At the same time, my child is safe. He can go downstairs anytime, and we have a pet. There's a wonderful pet area, huge pet area, and everybody likes going downstairs and spending time downstairs.
Since I celebrated my birthday over here, all of my friends have been after me after seeing the indoor cricket court. So it's way easier to go at any time, be it rain or maybe it's hot.
M3M is very well connected to all the key places within Gurgaon. And I do travel a lot for work, and it's very convenient for me to go to the airport. It's hardly 20-25 minutes from M3M. And even during the weekends, going to mall or going to other places is within 20-30 minutes duration.
I always wanted the best for my family, actually. The most important thing is the safety and hygiene. M3M Golf Estate has these family facilities. We really like the clubhouse here. There is a inside kids play area, indoor kid play area. Staff here are quite helpful. We really like the green areas here. We think that our choice is so far the best one.
My name is Nakajima from Japan. There are so many sports amenities here. So I like playing tennis on weekends.
We love our apartment. Our apartment's really nice. We also love using the gym, and we love using the swimming pool and sunbathing, and we also love using the library.
This has a good 9-hole chipping and a putting course, and it's a great weekend activity. So playing golf over the weekend does makes you feel very, very relaxed. You look forward for the weekends where you can play golf with your friends and have a couple of beers after that as well.
I often come here, the mini theater, with my friends, and we just enjoy the entertaining movies.
We chose this for the golf course, the green that you see, the pool, the jacuzzi setting. Ultimately, it was the green that pulled us here. And then this place has a lot of things that give you that me time. You want to play a sport, meet new people.